Welcome back. We will now need to do work inside of our Route 53 hosted zone. And you'll notice that Route 53 looks a little different once you have set up your hosted zone. And what you're going to do is go and click on this link that says hosted zones. And we're going to click on the domain name that we are working with. Once we do that, then we're going to need to create the alias. In order to do that, we're going to click Create Record Set. And what we're going to do is create an A type. So we're going to type in the name www. When we do this, we are going to click Yes for alias. And then we're going to place our cursor inside of the alias target box. We are going to target the www alias, the endpoint here, and we're just going to select it. We're going to leave the rerouting policy at simple, and we're going to leave the evaluate target health at no. Once we have all this in, we're then going to click create. And now that we've created the alias, we are now ready to go to the next step. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.